In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect your TikTok Pixel with your Wix website. This integration is a valuable tool for tracking your marketing efforts more effectively. So, let's dive into it. First things first, open up your Wix dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your Wix site, so make sure you're familiar with where everything is. Once you're in your dashboard, you'll want to look for the Settings section. Sometimes navigating through various options can be a bit of a maze, but don't worry, there's a handy search bar at the top. Just type in Marketing Integrations to get right to where you need to be. After that, you'll need to scroll down until you find the Marketing Integrations section. Once you spot it, go ahead and give it a click. This area of your Wix dashboard is where you can set up various tools and integrations to help you manage your marketing campaigns across different platforms. It's like the control center for all your outreach efforts. Now, focus your attention on the TikTok Pixel option. You'll see a button labeled Connect next to it. Go ahead and click that. This is the crucial step to begin integrating TikTok's data tracking capabilities with your Wix site. The TikTok Pixel is essentially a piece of code that will allow you to keep track of how visitors interact with your site, who they are, and how they respond to your marketing efforts on TikTok. At this point, you will need to open a new tab and head over to your TikTok Ads Manager. Once you're there, navigate to Tools, then Events, and finally to Data Sources. This pathway helps you locate your TikTok Pixel ID, which is the key piece of information you need to complete the integration. Now, if you haven't set up a TikTok Pixel already, this is your moment to create one. Simply follow the prompts to get it set up. This process is pretty straightforward, so just follow along with the instructions provided by TikTok. Once you have your Pixel set up, the next step is to copy your Pixel ID. This ID acts like a name tag for your Pixel, ensuring that data is sent to the correct place. With your Pixel ID in hand, head back to the Wix tab. Find the field where you're instructed to paste your TikTok Pixel ID. Go ahead and do that, and then click Save to secure this new connection. Connecting your TikTok Pixel to your Wix site opens up a world of analytic possibilities. By following these steps, you'll be in a prime position to understand your audience better and refine your marketing strategies accordingly. Thanks for watching, and happy integrating!